Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're embarking on a journey to create a truly spectacular dessert. A Salsui-inspired mango entremet that's as beautiful as it is delicious. This is a detailed recipe, so let's dive into each layer that makes this masterpiece. We begin with the vibrant heart of our dessert, the Mango-Passion Fruit Crémeux. First, bloom your gelatin in ice-cold water. In a saucepan, gently heat your mango and passion fruit purees. Meanwhile, whisk egg yolks and sugar until pale. Slowly temper the warm puree into the yolks, then return the mixture to the pan. Cook this custard over low heat, stirring constantly until it thickens and coats the back of your spoon. Remove from heat, squeeze excess water from your gelatin and whisk it in. Once slightly cooled, add cold cubed butter and use an immersion blender to emulsify until perfectly smooth and glossy. Pour this crema into small moulds and freeze them completely solid. This is crucial for assembly. Next, let's craft the Cloudlight Light Mango Mousse. Again, bloom your gelatin. In a separate, chilled bowl, whip very cold heavy cream to soft, billowy peaks. Be careful not to overwhip. Gently warm just a small portion of your main mango puree. This is where you'll dissolve your bloomed gelatin. Combine this warm, gelatinized puree with the rest of your cold mango puree. Now for the delicate part. Gradually fold the whipped cream into your mango base. The key here is gentle upward motions to maintain all that beautiful air we incorporated. This mousse will be incredibly light and bursting with fresh mango flavour. Now for the magic, creating the iconic mango shell. Using special silicone moulds, melt cocoa butter and colour it yellow, red and green with oil-based food colouring. Meticulously airbrush or paint the moulds to mimic a real mango's gradient. Once set, temper your white chocolate for that perfect snap and shine. Pour the chocolate into your coloured moulds, swirl to coat, and drain the excess. Once the shell is firm, pipe your airy mango mousse about 2/3 full. Gently press in your frozen crema insert. Top with a little more mousse, then seal the bottom with a final thin layer of tempered white chocolate. Back into the freezer they go until completely solid. The moment of truth. Once thoroughly frozen, carefully peel back the silicone moulds to reveal your absolutely stunning, perfectly formed mango desserts. Let them thaw in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours to achieve that ideal creamy texture. Plate them elegantly and prepare to be amazed. This mango entremet is a true work of edible art and a symphony of tropical flavours. Enjoy your masterpiece.